Okay, here we are, Saturday morning in the Photo Walks garage. I'm standing in the middle of the road. I don't know if you get the connection to this morning's newsletter, but anyway, looks like a bunch of people are here. I've got a little box here. Just came in from Apple. In case you had any wondering of what it's like to get your review box, what might be in there, because you know what's in there. We got some new phones. And I thought I would share the excitement of opening up with you. And let's see what we got. Well, first of all, they're all wrapped up. Let's show you this. It's going to be a hard one to pull out. Da 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 da. Here we go. You know, I was really excited about the orange iPhone, but there's two iPhones in here. So let's take a look. You know, it's kind of hard to do vertical video and show you what I got down here. So I wanted to go horizontal, but they didn't give me that option. Okay. iPhone 17 Pro Max. And we'll take off the back, take off that little label and a little arrow up here. And I think now we can open the box up. Look at that baby. There it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Orange. Notice the little bump back here. That is different. And I think we have room for a MagSafe little battery back here. Let's see. Let's turn this guy on. It is turning on, so thank you for that. And what else is in the box? Yet another USB to USB-C cable here, and that's pretty much it. Remember the days we used to have a charger? We don't have those anymore, but that's okay because I invest in the better chargers anyway. Uh, I have the 65-watt from I forget the name of the company, but it's really good. It does multiple devices at once, and I like that. Now, I can never get the box open for the case. It's a problem, and I'm just gonna tear it up. By the way, hi, Stella. Hi, Bruce. Hi, Carl. Hi, George. Thanks for being here. Here's the case, but you know what? It's not orange anymore. Isn't that the fun? The fun of having a new iPhone that happens to be orange is that you could actually see the orange. Now, you could see more of the orange here because of the new bump than you could with the old cases, but what are you going to do? Okay, is there anything in the case of the case? No, just a bunch of literature that you know I'm not going to read out loud. So we'll throw that down there. What else is here? Something that's very thin, extremely thin. We'll open that up in a minute. I think you know what it is. It's the iPhone Air, the iPhone Air bumper, which is their name for a case. And this is the little strap that will go around me. Let's start there. And once again, I don't know how to open this guy up very well. Oh, here you go, right up here. So this looks to be the case. This will be the case for the iPhone Air. And there's two little slots down here that are going to, they're calling the bumper again. I think I have two bumpers. Do I? This one is hard to figure out because we have some other stuff down here too. Let's get to the other stuff in the box. New AirPods, old AirPods. Okay, we'll see if those are going to make a difference. I'm looking forward to the live translation. This Apple put in the box, which is a 40-watt adapter, power adapter. I think it's good for one. Let's see. Oh, look, I didn't have to tear it apart. Salvador's here. Laura's here. Hi. Thanks for being here. I'm unboxing iPhones. It's new iPhone day. So here's a power adapter for, that's gonna be a faster charger. I have a third-party one that'll do 3 at once. This will just do 1, so I don't know how much we'll be using that. By the way, any questions, let me hear from you, and I will try to answer you. This is the cross-body strap, that I know the wife's looking forward to, which probably everybody needs to have at this point. It's gonna be harder to steal out of your back pocket one of those phones. Okay. Crossbody strap coming up, coming up, coming up. Here we come. It's locked in. This is hard to pull out. There we go. Crossbody strap, tan, and this is going to, I think, snap down here. Let's see. It's gonna take some work. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that, and I'm gonna have to read. Oh gosh, gonna have to read this stuff that has no words on it. Meanwhile, we haven't opened up the air yet. So let's get to that. Oh, here we go. Another phone and another little, label down here, and do. Voila, the iPhone Air. Thin, thin, thin. Looks pretty cool, right? The So stylistically, we love it. Look at the difference between these 2, but the camera doesn't have the ultra wide angle. And that could be a problem, and it also has a battery that is not gonna be as good as the Pro model. So, I'm more interested in the Pro model, but we'll see. This might be a fun one. I think the biggest selling point to these new phones are the brand new selfie. The selfie camera, it's new and improved with a higher resolution sensor, and it will, even if you take a picture like this, it will come out like this if you have more people in the shot. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna run out and start doing selfie land. Now, I should tell you that every time I get a new phone, I do not I do not, uh, do the thing where Apple says, "Just put this over your old phone, and we'll copy everything." I prefer to start from scratch, and that way not let any crazy stuff get in there. Uh, so that's what I do. Now, once I click the button for copying and setting up the new phone, it started playing havoc with the phone that I'm using right here to talk to you. So I am going to set it up after we say goodbye. Do we have any questions here? This is my first time doing I think it's actually my second time doing a Substack Live. And if you have any questions, let me know. I think it's kind of hard to type while I'm doing all this, but what are we going to do? So, what do you think I should do first? Should I run out and do the selfie cam, or should I take pictures with the 8X telephoto optical quality lens? Those are the 2 things I'm most interested in, and seeing how the menu, what new things they put in there, and so I'll be able to explain them all to you. At that point, I think I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'm gonna start photographing so I can check it out and see what we've got with the new iPhones. Thank you, everybody, for watching. If you haven't read today's newsletter, I wrote all about postcards. I got these great postcards from one of our readers, Jeffrey Miller, and he said, I'm getting these postcards made for $1 from Zazzle. And they're really, really nice. $1 for a postcard, and you get individuals. You don't have to get 25 or 50 or whatever, and I just think they're fantastic. I ordered some last night from Zazzle, and, I can't wait to share them with you when they show up. The downside, of course, is shipping. I think I paid, $5 or $6 for shipping, and if you're willing to join the Zazzle Plus subscription program, which is $20 a year, you get free shipping. And as Jeff Miller says, you could just order one card and get it sent to you for free, which is pretty cool. Also, they have a 30-day trial on the Plus subscription, so you could try it out and do whatever. Do I have more cards here? No, I don't. So huge fan of this, and really love the idea that readers are telling us about things that they're doing with photography that we can all do with mobile photography, digital tools. Really great. So thanks again, Jeff Miller. I'm Jefferson Graham, and you know what I'm about to do? I'm going out to take some pictures. So I'll be back at you. Thanks for watching.